Namaste students, I hope you all are safe. Shweta here, your maths teacher. Let us start today's class. In our previous class we started chapter 3, give and take. In that we learned about the addition, some sums. So here let me continue that chapter only. Let me tell you a story. Once a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. He started crying and called out for his mother. An old deer took pity on him. He took him to his place. But the other deer got really scared. So did their other friends rabbit, squirrel, birds, a lion among us. Oh no, he will eat up our babies. The whole deer said, don't worry, I will warn him about this. In the morning, the baby lion thanked everyone and started to leave. But a rabbit said, wait, he cannot go like this. Let us count to see if he has done any mischief. We should be 240 in all. Let's count. See here, once in a jungle, a baby lion was lost. When small children are lost, then what they are doing, what they will do, they will cry for their mothers. So like that only this lion also crying for his mother. And old deer what it sees by seeing that lion, so he took that lion to his place. But the other deers got really scared. In that jungle, not only deers are there, their friends of rabbits, squirrel, and birds also is staying in that jungle. But deer got really scared. Why? Because lion is a wild animal, so it will eat the deer, rabbit, and squirrel. So for that purpose, deers and the other deers are really scared. On the time, what the old deer did know, which he took that lion no, so that deer, don't worry, I will warn him about this. So he told like that. In the morning, baby lion thanked everyone. Morning, what he that baby lion did means it was thanked for everyone and started to leave. But rabbit said, what rabbit said means, wait, we have to count the number of animals. For example, in that lion, number of animals are 240. Let we count any mischief that lion was did. So like that, that rabbit told. On that time, all the year Tillu counted rabbits and deers. Here, then what they did? They are started counting. See what they are telling. Tillu counted rabbits and deers. There are 27 rabbits. There are how many rabbits? 27 rabbits. There are 48 deers. But all among that is squirrel, rabbit, and birds, deer, these and all combined together, it want to be there 240. So first they count for rabbit. Rabbit is 27 and deer is 48. The whole deer counted birds. Whole deer also counted. So it counted the birds and squirrels. So how many birds are there? There were 124 birds are there and 38 squirrels are there in the jungle. Now let's add and find out how many deer and rabbits were there. So you have to add and find out how many deers are there, how many deers and rabbits were there. First we count number of deers and number of rabbit. Already till you count that how many number of deers are there. There are 48 deers are there and number of rabbits is 27. Now you can see here. See one's place. They have shown like triangle. They are used one's place for triangle and tens place for square. See square card they made and they written as 10, and triangle card they made and they has written as 1. So there are number of deers, how many are there? There are 48 deers are there. In that 48, see ones, how many ones are there? There are 8 ones. So 8 ones they are make it as triangle card. See upside the ones place is shown in as triangle card. So you have to do right here 8 triangle card. Count, there are 8 triangles are there or not? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 triangles are there. And how many number of tens are there? There are 4 tens are there. Then tens place is made up of square card. So square card, there are 4 tens, so 4 times 4 tens they are represented. And number of rabbit is 27. So there are how many ones are there? 7 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ones. And how many number of tens are there? There are 2 tens. So 1 2 2 square card you have to write. Then you have to add now. Now you know that here one so 10 ones is called as 110, right? 10 times if it is having ones, then you say that number as 110, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So there are 110s. You call it as the 110, that is 10 ones is equal to 110, right? So 10 times ones is there means you have to say that is 1 ones. You sorry, 1 tens. You can say here 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So in that 15 ones place you have to write 5, and 1 carry is you have to write down the tens place, because 110 you have to take carry here. So 4 plus 5, there are 4 tens, 5 6 7. So 7. Now number of deers and see, now putting together all the tens, we get 7 tens. That is so that total number of deers and rabbits are 75. So like that you have to add another one. Similarly, we had the number of birds and number of squirrels. Number of birds is how much? 124. Here 124 means there are 3 place values: ones, tens and 100. See, 100 place value they are mentioned in by using one's place value is triangle card, tens place value is square card, and 100 place value is circle, that is circle card. Place value is triangle card. Now you can add easily. Number of birds is 124. Number of rabbit is how much? Sorry, number of squirrels is how much? 38, right? So 4 plus 8 is here. So here how many number of ones are there in 124? There are 4 number of ones are there. And how many number of tens are there? There are 2 tens are there. And how many number of 100? Only 100 are there. Now number of squirrels, how many number of squirrels in the squirrel? 38 squirrels are there. In that, how many number of ones are there? There are 8 ones and 3 tens. So you have to add, but 100 place is 0 because it is 2-digit number. Now you can add 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 1 carry, 110 you have to take carry. So 2 3 plus 3 is 6. 1. So total then put together, then what you get? So together birds and squirrels were 162 and deers and rabbits were 75. Then this two you have to add because you want total number of animals, right? So the old deer said we were 240 number. See, 240 in number totally they want to be. Now let us see how much if you had this both, how many are we in all? Can you guess now if the baby lion will go back home? Has the baby lion eaten up any animal? To find out, do the addition in the box. Now number of see, we already did number of birds and squirrel. How many number of birds and squirrels total together? You get 162 totally. There are number of birds and squirrels. And number of deers and rabbit, how much? There are how many number of deers and rabbits? See, the old deer said we were 240 in number. Now how many are we in all? So you have to find this. See, number of birds and squirrels are 162. Number of deer and rabbit are 75. Then these two you have to add. Here 5 in ones place first you have to add. So how many number of ones are there? 5 6 7 number of ones. And how many number of tens are there? 6. 6 plus 7 is, that is 13. 3 1 carry, 100 will be the carry. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So totally 237 animals are there. Can you guess now if the baby lion will go back, how the baby lion eaten up any animal? Has the baby lion eaten up any animal? No. The baby lion cannot go home. Now, there were 240 animals, but now there are how many animals? 237 animals. How many number of animals the baby lion was eaten? See, the baby lion has eaten 200 and what you have to do here, you have to minus 240 minus 237 equals 3 animals. There are 3 animals the baby lion was eaten up. How many bulbs? A factory made 270 bulbs on the first day. On the second day it made 123 bulbs. See here word problem. uh, in one factory there are bulbs. One of the bulb factory they made up of bulbs, right? So they are for in the first day they made up of 270 bulbs, and the second day it made of 123 bulbs. How many bulbs did the factory make altogether? Altogether, total, everything. If it is come means you have to add. So first day 270 bulbs, second day 123 bulbs. How many altogether means you have to add. Is the sum more than 40? Let us see that. See, bulb made on first day is how many bulbs they made? So 270 bulbs they made on the first day. In the second day, the bulbs made on the second day is 123. So total number of bulbs. Total means altogether. Total means had. You have to do addition here. So here first you have to go for ones place. So in the ones place 0 plus 3 is 3. Any number if you add 0 you will get same number only. Then tens place what and all is there? 7 and 2. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. So totally 393 bulbs are made in all together, right? Now, a shopkeeper, Rafi, had 153 candles. Uh, Paras gave him 237 more candles. How many candles does Rafi have now? See here, Rafi candle store. You can observe in this picture. So, a shopkeeper, shopkeeper name is Rafi. He had totally 153 candles. And Paras, see that man is standing near the shop. No, that his name is Paras. Gave him 237 more candles. Still, he made the candles and he gave to shopkeeper. How many candles does Rafi have now? So before Paras not given on the time, Rafi is having before 153 candles. Afterwards, Paras gave 237 more candles. More means you have to add here, addition. So 237 plus 153 you have to do. Is this sum more than 400 or less than 400? Let us guess. See here, first you write the numbers 237 and 153. Both are 3-digit numbers. So write that, and first you have to add ones place. So ones place 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 means 0. 1 will be the carry for tens place. So in the tens place how much is there? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 carry if you add means there will be that it will be 9. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. So totally 390 candles are there with Rafi. Work out the following story problems in the same way. Read each problem and say it in your words. See here another problem is there. A train compartment is carrying 132 people. Another compartment is carrying 129 people. In all, how many people are there in both the compartment? Both the compartment. How many people are there? So total number. You have to add both the compartment. Here first, see here number of peoples in the first compartment. In the first compartment how many number of peoples are there? There are 132 peoples are there. In the number of peoples in second compartment. In the second compartment how many number of peoples are there? There are 129 peoples. So both you have to add here. So if you add both, so 2 plus 9 is 11. So 11 means 1 will be the carry for tens place. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Totally 261 peoples are there in the train. Okay, both the compartment peoples are 261. Addition you have to do here. A teacher kept a note of which fruit students like in her school. That is what she found. Students are see kept a note of which students all teacher are collected the number which fruits their students are liked, and she made it as like column. So in our school, see, students, girls, boys are there, total number are there. See the girls, total girls, oranges and mangoes fruit she kept. And how many number of students they like oranges, and how many number of students they like mangoes. Here teacher has made it as column. For example, see here in this tabular column you can see girls. How many number of girls like oranges? There are 136 members. Students are like oranges. And how many number of girls may like mango? There are 240 girls like mango. And boys, so 128 boys may like oranges, and 243 boys may like mangoes. So total means you have to add here. How many students in the school like oranges? See, there are how many students in the school like oranges. Here number of students who like oranges is 136 plus 128, because they are not particularly asked the girls and boys. They are asked students. Yes, students means all together, that is boys and also girls, both together you called it as students. So here how many students in the school like oranges? So how many number of students are like oranges means oranges column you have to take and you have to add. See, there are girls likes oranges are 136, boys like oranges are 128. Both you have to add. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 4, 1 will be the carry. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 carry is 6. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So totally 264 members are like oranges. How many students in school like mangoes? Here also mangoes you have to write and you have to add. 240 plus 243. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. So there are 483 students like mangoes. Altogether, how many students are there in school? Altogether means total number of students in a school equals number of boys and number of girls you have to add. See, total number of girls plus total number of boys. Here total number of girls and boys who like, see, total number of girls who like oranges and mangoes. Yeah, here you can see, and total number of boys who like oranges and mangoes. This you have to add first, and then that answer you have to add again. See, 136 plus 240 if you had, you will get 376, plus 128 plus 243 if you had, you will get 371. Then both if you have to add. So 747. There are totally 747 students are there. Is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? Number of girls are more than 350 or less than 350 here. See, there are number of girls are 376 girls are there. So there are number of girls are more 136 plus 240. So totally 376 girls are there. So the 340. Let us see homework now. See, this question you have to do.